It's Friday, and you've almost survived another crazy week in AI. Let's get into today's news. Anthropic have announced Claude code channels. It uses MCP servers to push events into your favorite chat app. Send a Telegram message, and Claude acts and replies back through the same channel. Your session keeps running on your machine while you're on the sofa working from your phone. Claude Code already has remote control possibilities, and Cowork now has dispatches, but they both work via the Claude app. Channels allows users to move the coding conversation to the chat apps that they already know and love. The channel's name is interesting. It suggests this is just the start, and they'll be adding more channels all the time. DoorDash has a new division and a standalone app called Tasks. Drivers can pick from a list of activities, film yourself loading a dishwasher, shopping for groceries, having a conversation in Spanish. All that data feeds into DoorDash's own AI models and gets sold to partners across tech, retail, and hospitality. The scale is what might make this work for DoorDash: 8 million drivers across nearly every zip code in America. That's a real-world data collection network no AI lab could build from scratch. The short-term gain is likely to be irresistible for many. The long-term pain might not be as far away as they think. Microsoft's new MAI Image 2 image generation model comes from the superintelligence team that Mustafa Suleyman formed late last year. The focus is photorealism, natural light, accurate skin tones, environments that look lived in. It also handles in-image text, which means readable signage and infographics, not just pretty pictures. This is a valiant effort from the Microsoft team, but is it all just too little, too late? Claude Cowork already lets Claude work on your computer, reading files, running code, managing tasks. But now with the new projects feature, that all gets much more structure. Instead of one long conversation that gradually loses context, each project keeps its own files, instructions, and context for greater consistency. Claude Code has had project-level memory for a while now. Bringing it into Cowork was an obvious but important next step. The AI workspace that remembers what you're building is far more useful. We're getting pretty used to Claude getting a couple of major updates every week. Now it seems like we're getting a couple every day.